Hey guys, this is Chris with day 8, the final day of the VA mini course, sadly, but trust me, there will be a lot more content coming from myself. But let's wrap up today with the tasks that you want to assign your virtual assistant. So, remember, guys, virtual assistants can basically do any task that you're looking for, whether that's cold calling, eBay dropshipping, looking for items, customer service, data entry. It just depends on what their qualities are when you're doing the interview. And remember, have an idea when you're looking and doing these interviews and searching for virtual assistants on the tasks that you are hiring for. If you're looking for somebody to do data management, then look for that, and ask them specific questions and everything like that. And remember, you want to have the proper documentation in place. You want to have them shadow you. You want to shadow them and make sure that they're doing the proper tasks. And make sure you're giving them their tasks and, checking in with them, what they've done. And you can even have a sheet, right? A Google sheet of all their tasks and even have them fill out when they complete that task. But remember, we don't want to be micromanaging them too much either. So remember, you want to keep in mind what tasks you're looking to initially hire your virtual assistant for. Teach them that well, and realize, if they're doing a good job, and make sure you compliment them and everything like that. And if they're not doing well, make sure you address it. But remember, it just depends on their skill set, what you're initially hiring them for, and how you've trained them. And just their attitude and their perspective on the job overall is how you'll determine what tasks you're going to be providing them, and if they can complete the task that you're looking for them to do initially. So that's pretty much it, guys. Remember, you guys can make a Google sheet. One column have the task, the next one it can be the date of when they completed it, or the time, or if they did or if they didn't. Or you can just go off a basis of just telling them, but I would recommend, writing it down, so then that way you're both on the same page. You can check in, every day, every couple of days, and go from there with your virtual assistant. And remember, make sure you're talking with them, communicating with them. Is this too much? Let me know. How is your time looking? Is there anything that I can do? Do you need me to move things around? Is there one thing that you like over another? And remember, when you're working with virtual assistants and employees in general, you'll pick up on things that your virtual assistant either likes or doesn't like, or resonates with and doesn't, and things that you find them completing really fast, and things that may take them a while. So and there will be things to address and things to go over, but that's just the process of being a business owner and hiring virtual assistants or employees, however you want to look at it, and just work with them overall. So I hope this course has been a help to you guys. Let me know in the comments. I really hope you guys have enjoyed this little course that I've put together. This is just my experience, what I've learned from dropshipping for a little bit now. So I will be more active on this account, and I plan to be posting more on the Facebook group in there. I may also make a Discord server so I can chat with you guys and whatever else we want to connect on. So let me know if there's anything you guys are looking for specifically, with making money online, virtual assistants, what can you hire for, and I'll be sure to do my best to either point you in the right direction or help you out as much as I can. So thank you so much.